Recently, the FDA came out with directive that possibly they will not be recommending sunscreen for infants 0 to 6 months of age. And as a board-certified dermatologist and a board-certified pediatrician as well, I have a few feelings on this subject that I think are slightly different than that. First of all, it is important to protect your children when they're in the sun. And I think that either you have to protect your children by keeping them out of the sun under a shade structure of some sort, or wearing a hat like this Tilley topper hat that we have on the website, or alternatively a sunscreen of some sort. Now, the FDA, I believe, is concerned predominantly about sunscreens that have chemicals in them, because we don't know exactly what chemicals can do for very small children, but there are sunscreens that are chemical free. Elta Pure is one of these. It has zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. Now, zinc oxide is what we put on children for diaper rash, Desitin. Now, titanium dioxide is also a safe product. It's inert. It is something that we use, and it is chemical free, and it is a pure sunblock. Elta Pure also has no preservatives, no fragrances, and is our staff's favorite choice for children. Now, the one thing about Elta Pure that you have to know is that it goes on white. It doesn't have the ability to blend in as well, because the titanium dioxide is not a nanoparticle titanium dioxide. Those titanium dioxides that you see that go into the skin very nicely can be borderline on nanoparticles. So for children, I would rather use the Elta UV Pure. For adults, not many people would like to use the UV Pure unless you have no problem having a slightly white cast to your skin. Now, the other products that I like for children, Badger, if you don't mind having a fragrance, is a very nice sunscreen, and it is zinc oxide, again, what we find in Desitin, and it has an SPF 30. It also has cambial and calendula, which are oils, but those also have a fragrance. Lastly, and this is not one that we necessarily recommend for children, but it is out of a line that is safe for pregnant women, so it is also safe for children, and it's Belli. But this is a tinted protection zinc oxide and titanium dioxide sunscreen that is more for adults, but it is safe for children. So I think that the key factor is to be careful this summer with your children. Make sure that they are dressed appropriately when they are at the pool or in hot, sunny weather, and be very careful about heat because a child or infant is very easily able to overheat, have heat stroke or heat-related disease. So be very, very cautious when you take them to the pool or the beach or wherever you're going out with them. And lastly, have a great and safe summer. Thank you very much.